Hi everyone, want to give your WhatsApp a fresh look? Here's how you can change the chat backgrounds and personalize themes easily. So let's get started. So in order to change the chat wallpaper, just go to the WhatsApp account. Then tap the three dots, then click the settings. Then here, tap the chats and tap the wallpaper. You can choose light, dark, solid colors, and my photos or in gallery. Then tap Set Wallpaper. This set a universal wallpaper for all chats. And for only one chat, you can open the chat you want to customize. Then just tap the three dots and click Wallpaper. Choose your preferred style or image. Then tap Set Wallpaper. This is great for making a special chat stand out, like for your best friends, for your partner, or VIP clients. And to switch our WhatsApp to dark mode, just go to the settings, click the chat and theme, then choose a dark or light. This is perfect for a low light environments for saving battery. And that's it. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.